All right, well, we're over here and we flipped over our hickory slab. It's a 1 3/4 slab. How wide is this? 14, probably 15 there in the wider parts. And we decided to go ahead and burn this because it's actually the bottom side. You know, we're gonna flip this over. Well, we're gonna cut this off right here, and we're gonna use the end pieces for legs because they're split up and whatnot, and they can just sit on the ground. And then we'll sand this down a little bit. We're gonna put really good coat of stain or something, or clear coat on it where it soaks in all the cracks. And yeah, we're basically gonna flip it over and build a bench out of it. And it's gonna come out pretty good. This end's even got some nice cool splits in it. It should look really good when we get it done, you know. It's nice and flat. This wood's been drying for 2 years before we cut it down, so it won't warp ideally. And I pretty well got quarter sawn grain in most of it. Well, not most of it, probably this much. And then the other slabs I took off that were wider, they're really perfect quarter sawn lumber. So anyway, stay tuned, and I'll do a video after we get the bench made, or during the process and after maybe. But anyway, stay tuned.